na.
Lire.
Vlog ka na. Hi.
Hi. Live yan eh.
Vlog yan. Sa YouTube ko.
Oh, ito na lang. Yeah. Wait. Sige mo ano rin?
Ha?
Sige mo ano? Ring.
Maliit?
Dito muna ako gagawa. What's for this?
That's mine.
Paano? Wala akong mixing. Wala akong
Share na lang tayo.
I want to mix. I will mix the food coloring, okay?
There's no food color.
We don't want to put food color. No, I will mix it. No, I'm the
Later.
Dito ko ilalagay yung
Mag-ano
I
na
want to make.
Later. Ella.
Pwede na rin pang color green, no?
Topi, ikaw nga mag-ano nito.
Pero
Don't press the don't press that, okay? Don't press the box. Don't press it. Topi, baka i-press ni Ella.
Ba't ako magbabantay ka? Pwede mo din yung yung ball pen. Sana first. Para po. Wait. First. I will draw. Dito na ako.
Ay! Pera nga ka.
Why don't get your own spoon? Wait, I'm gonna get it.
It's turning like video the slime, not us. Not me, Ella, the slime.
I press it, okay.
Okay, give me na. No, not yet. Keep mixing.
How to make my own slime white?
Go mix Ate Kring Kring.
Huh?
Go mix Ate Kring Kring. First video of making slime.
Wala na yata.
Simutin mo na.
Finish.
Okay, give me. Nagagawa kami slime.
You want to make slime?
Later, after me.
You draw it first.
Right, it's getting all slimy. Being
This is a red slime.
Right.
This is a red slime. What? This is a red slime? Red? Slime? It's yours is a red slime?
We'll be back when the slime is